A day at the beach meant for fun quickly spirals into chaos when an entire family unexpectedly clashes with a police officer.
Come here! Hey! Come here! Come here! Hey! You! Come here! Can you safely pull up here and tie up? Alright, come here. How y'all doing? Can you safely pull up here?
I'm trying to bring it in there.
Alright.
I'm trying to get in there.
Alright, alright. No, I ain't laughing at you. I just don't want you to hurt yourself or somebody else. It's your boat. Your boat. Okay. Can you get the registration while you're looking for that rope?
I'm doing another $890 fine.
I hadn't wrote you no tickets yet. I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know you. You have your ID with you also?
Yeah, I got everything.
If you don't mind, let's walk up here.
I had a service.
Well, you've been drinking today, right?
I can't tell you how much I had to drink because it's irrelevant.
You mind if I check your eyes real quick?
My eyes? You're making it too far. I'm still stable.
I'm not making it too far. I've been in law enforcement 38 years. I owe you protection, your family, or whoever's on your boat.
We're good.
Okay, well, I'm trying to make sure you're good.
I'm good. And pair of eyes, go ahead.
Look at the top of this pin. You see it? What I want you to do is reach up with your right index finger and touch it. That just tells me. Reach up and touch it with your right index finger. So it tells me you can see it. Yeah, so you can see it. It tells me you can see it. See? Yeah. All right. All right. What I'm going to do, I'm going to move it back and forth in front of your face. I want you to follow your eyes. Do not move your head. Do you understand?
No, I understand. That's
okay.
fine,
Look right here.
No, yeah. When you went that far, it disappeared.
Okay. Do you work?
I do. Is that recording?
Yep. When's the last time you worked?
On Friday.
You mind walking up here with me? Have a seat right here for me.
I already went through a DUI.
Well, this is not DUI. This would be BUI if you're under the influence. I have to advise you that if you do not take the field sobriety exercises, that it can be used against you in court. You understand that?
I know
it's not a pass or fail. What I was checking is what they call horizontal gaze to stagnance. It's the involuntary jerking of your eyeball. Your eye should track as it follows an object like rolling a marble across a piece of glass. Your eyes are twitching. The more they twitch as soon as they start to track, the higher impairment you are. Okay? There's a total of 6 clues. You have all 6 clues in your eyes.
You see them?
Yeah, I saw them.
If I'm going to get arrested, they should get arrested and get it over.
Okay, so you're refusing to take the field sobriety exercise? Well, I'm asking you to take the remaining field sobriety exercises to dispel my belief.
The thing, but if I'm going to get arrested,
I haven't made that decision yet.
Well, I wasn't driving.
You were driving. You asked about the video camera? Yeah, it's got you video spinning around out there and stuff.
It's just like when I went to the spring. I help a person out. I tell them, don't be drinking. You got an open can.
Then why are you drinking?
I wasn't driving.
You were driving. I got you on video driving, man. Come on. Are you so impaired that you don't remember driving?
I remember.
You remember?
Wait. Watch your words.
Well, you're telling me you weren't driving, and I'm telling you you were. So, are you agreeable to take the field sobriety exercises, yes or no? And let me explain what they are, okay? One's called the palm pats. Like you take your hands, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, like that. Then hand coordination is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then put them down by your side, and then finger to nose with your head tilt the back and your eyes closed. Those are the field sobriety exercises. Are you agreeable to take them?
I'll take them. I can't believe this.
Sit straight at the front edge of your seat. Put your arms down by your side. Place your feet shoulder width apart so you're comfortable and stable. Put your feet shoulder width apart. Sit at the edge. Put your arm down by your side. You're going to make a fist with both hands. You're going to extend your index fingers and turn your palms forward. When I say begin, you're going to tilt your head back. You're going to close your eyes about 45 degrees. That's when I say begin. Okay?
Can I have something? Donna, I need you to record this.
It's already being recorded. Everything here is on the podcast.
I want to record it on my side.
Okay, that's fine. When I tell you to, you're going to touch the tip of your nose with the tip of your index finger and immediately return it to your side. It's like this.
Or one?
Just one. You got an index finger on each hand. If I say right, come up with your right index finger, touch the tip of the finger to the tip of the nose and back down. If I say left, come up with that index finger, touch the tip of the finger and tip of the nose and back down. Don't leave your finger on your nose. You come up and touch it and come back down.
Donna, back
up. Go stand over there.
You to back up.
You can record all you want, but you're not going to interfere.
Donna, back up towards the Mazda, please. Just back up
towards
the Mazda.
They're as far as I
am.
I'm going to put you in jail if you don't back up.
Listen to me.
Simple as that.
Stop making
For interfering.
worse. I'm agreeing.
You can haul all you want.
Okay.
Donna,
back up and stop interfering.
Come on,
go ahead.
Damn it, I should have never done this. I'm so sorry.
See if the city or the county's got
somebody.
the same length
come
as
down
I
here.
am.
No, Donna.
Is there somebody that hadn't been drinking that can get her out of the way and stop interfering? Because I'm going to have to put her in jail if she don't stop. And it's going to be bad if you go to jail and she goes to jail too.
Yeah, we'll be like, what's up?
Yeah. Well, that's not going to be fun. But if she interferes again, she's going to jail.
I just told her back, bro.
Okay, well, you did. And now you're upset that she's interfering. So she's interfering. I'm trying to determine whether you're an impaired operator. And if she comes over here again, you can express to her that she's going to be arrested. So I'm going to start this again. Touch your nose with the tip of your index finger and immediately return it to your side. Again.
Again?
Yep.
45 degrees backwards.
Close your eyes. Okay, with your left.
Are you telling me to touch my nose with my left?
You understood the instructions, right?
I heard you, but I need you to hear you. I'm deaf in one ear, too. Just be louder.
With your left. You're right. Okay, relax. Next, it's a palm pat. Place your hands palm to palm with one hand up, one hand down. It's like this. When I tell you to begin, you're going to turn your top hand over and you're going to count out loud 1. Then turn your hand back over and count out loud 2. It's like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Yeah, okay, I got you.
Make sure you keep your hands and your fingers parallel with each pat. We'll go ahead and begin.
Wait. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Okay,
1.
relax. Next is hand coordination. You're going to make a fist with both hands. Place your left fist in the center of your chest and your right fist against your left. It's like this. Take your left, touch it like this. When I say begin, you must perform 4 tasks, okay? The first task is to count out loud from 1 to 4 while you move your fist in a step-like fashion. All right, the second task is to memorize the position of your fist. After you've counted to 4, clap your hands 3 times and return your fist to the memorized position. Third task is to move your fist in a step-like fashion in reverse, counting, be quiet, counting out loud from 5 to 8 and returning your fist to your chest. So it's like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The fourth task is to open your hands with your palms down and place them at your lap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then down by your side.
And we go backwards. Go ahead.
Okay, go ahead.
1, 2, 3, 4. How many times I got count? I went 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5, 6. And then we go backwards. 7, 8, 9, 10.
All right, stand up for me. Have any knives, guns, hanger, anything like that?
I'll give you everything.
No, I'm telling you. Put your hands behind your back.
Can I have your name, please? So we can go ahead and call
Christmas.
your officer?
Christmas. Okay, so stop interfering because you're interfering now.
Excuse me, is there a reason for detainment, sir?
He's not. He's under arrest.
For what?
Back up or you're going to jail with him.
Put me in f***ing jail. I'll put your ass one.
Don't do it, please. I'll be here with you. I'm not gonna run. I won't run. I swear to God. Back up. Back up. Please, please don't do it. Please, please don't do it. Back up. Back up. Back up.
I don't have a
Don't do it,
reason.
Come here.
Don't do it, please. I'm with you. I'm with right
You're
here.
under arrest.
No, please.
You're
don't
under
do it.
arrest.
Don't do it, please.
You're under arrest. Come here.
Please.
Come here. You're under arrest.
Sir, I'm with you. Sir, I'm with you.
You're under arrest. Come over here. Put your hands on the car.
I'm with you. I'm
The one in
with
the
you.
yellow.
I'm with you. I'm with you. Don't do it, please. Sir, don't do it.
Back up or you're going with her.
Don't do it.
Back up or you're going with
Don't
her.
do it. Sir, I'm with you.
Back up or you're going with her.
You got control of all this. Christmas. You got control. I'm with you. I'm with you, Christmas. I'm with you. Don't do it. Christmas, I'm with
If you
you.
interfere again, you're
No,
going with her.
Christmas. Christmas. I'm with you. Christmas. Don't do it. Oh my God.
You're under arrest.
No.
You're under.
Don't do it.
Don't hit me. Don't hit me. Oh my God, don't.
Put your hand behind your back.
Christmas.
What the hell is wrong with you, man? Oh my goodness, what the hell is wrong?
Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest.
Oh my goodness, what the hell is wrong
I
with
don't have a second set of cuffs.
Christmas, please. Christmas.
What the hell is wrong with you?
Christmas.
Goodness.
Come on, please.
You got a second set of cuffs.
Please, Christmas. I'm right
What
here
the
with you.
hell is wrong
Don't
with
take
you
me.
people?
Christmas,
Back
take
up.
me.
Hey, you're hurting my
Christmas,
arm.
just take
Well,
me.
then stop
please,
resisting.
Christmas.
Nobody's
Christmas,
resisting.
I'm right here.
You're hurting
I obeyed all your rules.
Nobody has done anything. Take 2 minutes to put me down.
Okay.
Shut up.
What the hell is wrong with you?
Shut
gave her now.
Nobody was even near you.
Here's her. Okay, I don't have ID on her. Don't have ID on him.
Nobody was near you. Nobody's even resisting. Don't hit me. Nobody even touched you. Nobody said nothing to you.
15 was free, and I've sprayed one. Let's put her in your car. Let me get him. Let me get him. Put him in my truck.
Fire rescue. What the kind of question is that?
I'm just asking.
I tell you what, hold her, and I'll get my truck open where you can.
You don't have to squeeze me hard. I ain't going nowhere.
Why am I getting pushed around? I was with you, bro.
Listen, man, because your family's trying to jump on the dang police.
Well, we didn't realize we were in so much trouble. We would have gone faster.
They backed up and they stopped.
Come on,
but once I arrested him, that's when they came back up again.
I'm sorry.
What if you go, man? I don't want nothing to beef with you, okay? Just have a seat right there,
Okay,
okay?
I'm trying to get up there, bro.
Okay.
Step up on your left foot.
I know that, man. You were fine, bro.
You gotta wear this seatbelt, okay? The yellow came up after I arrested him. Why are you arresting him? All that. I said, get back. I'd already warned her. And she goes, no, why is he being detained? You have to tell me. I said, ma'am, stop resisting. You're interfering. He's trying to tell her to get back. She's like, no, and she comes up and tries to interfere again. I said, you're under arrest.
Okay.
That's when she goes, F you, I ain't under arrest. The second woman comes up, tries to video y'all tussling with this one.
So we got her for resisting?
Yeah, and her resisting.
Okay.
That's what we gotta talk to you.
I'll talk to you in a minute. Let me get in the truck. I'll get you some AC going.
Like he kept telling that.
I need to find out who I can let that boat go to that they're all in, that hadn't been drinking. And this one's going to jail. I need their names and stuff, and I'll do the dockets on them.
Okay.
For what?
Resisting and opposing.
No, we weren't.
Okay, go to court. You'll have to go to court. I've been in law enforcement 38 years. Yes, you were.
I was not.
And she's going to be as an attorney or whatever and tell me what I can and can't do. That's not going to happen. You're not going to interfere. Both of y'all were interfering.
No, honey.
Okay.
We were not
Okay,
interfering.
well, I disagree with you. We'll see what a jury or judge thinks, okay?
We weren't. You told us to get away, and we did.
Back up or you're going to jail with him.
Put me in jail.
You were
Who
coming to
owns
us.
the boat? He owns the boat.
He owns it.
What do you want done with your boat? Has anybody not been drinking that we can release your boat to?
Like literally.
You're going to jail. You're not getting the boat.
That's my daughter. We've never
Yeah,
been in
and I need to
trouble
try to get her some water on her face because I sprayed her.
She said she didn't want any water or anything.
Well, I want to get it on video that she's refusing, okay?
When rescue gets here, you mean?
Yeah.
Okay.
Anybody here not drinking?
None of us.
Are you an adult?
I'm 19.
Okay. You're with them?
That's my dad.
Okay.
Is there any way I can talk to him real quick?
Yeah. Well, in a minute. Are you can take the vessel.
I can trailer it and we can use a rope to bring it in, and I can drive it home.
Did you have a boater safety card?
Yes, sir, right here.
All right, let me see your ID. Because I got to get your name, then I'm releasing it to you.
All right, let me show you this, and then here's my ID.
Okay, stand by just a second. Let me make sure that's what he wants to do, okay? Hey, man. Listen to me. Listen, this is your son?
Yes, sir.
You don't want your boat towed, right?
No, please.
You want him to take custody of your
Let
boat?
him take it.
Okay, okay. Who are these other people? Who are these other people? Who are they?
They're idiots.
Are they your wife, your daughters, what?
Let them go, please. Let them go,
Okay,
please.
they're your
Let 'em go,
nieces?
please.
They're your nieces?
These are my sister. Let them go.
Okay, do they have ID with them?
Yes, they do.
Where's their ID at?
I don't know where they got it, but they got it.
Okay,
Hey,
just relax, man, okay? Relax.
I will.
He'll meet you up at the jail.
Did y'all see what was going on? Did you see the girls come up trying to interfere?
Christmas, Father Christmas.
Yeah, something like that.
Yes, resisting arrest is,
Well, I'm sorry y'all had to witness all that.
thank you for doing your job. Sorry.
Okay, okay. Thank you.